Welcome to Auto Zenith Update, your premier source for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q2, a compact SUV that blends innovative technology with dynamic performance. The 2025 Audi Q2 has received a comprehensive technology update, enhancing both its multimedia capabilities and safety features. The centerpiece of this upgrade is a high-resolution 8.8-inch touchscreen, replacing the previous 7.0-inch non-touch display. This new interface offers intuitive control over the multimedia system, complemented by natural speech recognition for seamless interactions. Additionally, the Q2 now boasts Audi's 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit digital instrument cluster, providing customizable displays for vital driving information. Under the hood, the Q2 offers a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, delivering 116 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. This powertrain ensures a spirited driving experience while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency, with an average of 13 km per liter. The vehicle's top speed ranges between 190 to 200 km per hour, catering to both city commuting and highway cruising. Safety has been a focal point in the 2025 update. The Q2 now comes standard with advanced features such as traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, and rear park assist. These additions aim to provide drivers with enhanced awareness and support, contributing to a safer driving environment. In terms of design, the Q2 maintains its sporty and compact aesthetic. The exterior features dynamic lines and a bold front fascia, while the interior offers a blend of high-quality materials and ergonomic design. The cabin comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with a boot space of 405 liters, making it practical for daily use and weekend getaways. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi Q2 is expected to start at approximately $25,000 in the United States. In summary, the 2025 Audi Q2 presents a compelling package of technology, performance, and safety. Its recent updates ensure it remains a strong contender in the compact SUV segment, appealing to drivers seeking a versatile and modern vehicle. Thank you for tuning into Auto Zenith Update. Stay connected for more insights into the latest automotive trends and releases.